everyday problems. Spill, drop liquid accidentally.
I spilled my juice.
Rip, tear something.
I ripped my shirt.
Slip, lose balance.
I slipped on the wet floor.
Leak, let liquid escape.
The tap is leaking.
Dent, make a hollow mark.
I dented my car door.
Flat tire, tire without air.
I got a flat tire.
Crack, break slightly.
I cracked my phone screen.
Scratch, mark the surface.
I scratched my car while parking.
Break, damage completely.
I broke my glasses.
Jam, get stuck.
The door is jammed.
Stain, leave a dirty mark.
I stained my shirt.
Burn, damage with heat.
I accidentally burned myself.
Chip, break off a small piece.
I chipped a plate.
Tear, pull apart.
I tore the paper.
Drop, let fall accidentally.
I dropped my phone.
Smash, break into pieces.
He smashed the glass.
Overflow, spill over the edge.
The sink overflowed.
Clog, block completely.
The drain is clogged.
Fade, lose color.
My jeans have faded.
Shrink, become smaller.
My sweater shrank.
Wrinkle, become creased.
My shirt is wrinkled.
Lose, cannot find.
I lost my wallet.
Forget, fail to remember.
I forgot my keys.
Miss, fail to catch or attend.
I missed the bus.
Trip, stumble while walking.
I tripped over a toy.
Stall, stop working.
My car stalled.
Crash, hit something hard.
My computer crashed.
Freeze, stop responding.
My phone froze.
Drain, use up completely.
The battery drained quickly.
Malfunction, not work properly.
The machine malfunctioned.